The MD2296-24K TV Wall Mount by Mounting Dream is designed to accommodate a wide range of television sizes from 42 to 84 inches, ensuring versatility for various home setups. Its robust construction supports televisions weighing up to 100 pounds, providing a secure and stable mounting solution. This wall mount offers full motion capabilities with tilt, swivel, and level adjustments, enhancing your viewing experience by allowing you to find the perfect angle. Installation is straightforward with clear instructions, pre-labeled hardware bags, and useful accessories like a bubble level and cable ties for organized cable management. The wall mount is compatible with solid concrete walls and wood studs, fitting spacing of 16, 18, and 24 inches, but it should not be used on drywall alone. Mounting Dream provides exceptional customer service support and a 10-year warranty, reflecting their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction.